Namaskar and welcome to IT Study Point. Today we will study about the attributes of HTML. What are the HTML attributes? Actually, attributes define additional characteristics or property of the element such as width and height if we talk about an image. Actually, it is a name and value pair, like name or value. It is just like right. For an example, I am taking the example of body tag. Body tag itself we write like this, but if we are going to define the attributes, then we have to write attributes here. The body tag have some attributes like BG color, BG color. This is the color defined by this tag as a background. Background color will be defined by this, and BG color itself a full form of this background color. So it accepts value in the name of the color or the color code. If you know the color, how to define the color code, you can write color code here. It can also be acceptable, and if you don't know, then you can write the name of the color. If that name of the color is not supported by the HTML or that web browser, HTML web browser, then that web browser will have no effect, or the black effect will be shown over there. If in this mode, if the red color is not defined, then the all screen will be black. So immediately we have to change the BG colors name, and if it is accepted, then it will be display on the browser. So the BG color here, BG color red, is an attribute of body. So it is an additional characteristic. So it is defining that the body of the web page will be look like in red color. Another one is text. Text. If we write yellow, it means that we are defining background color as in red, and text color would be yellow. Let us see an example. So as we know that we write separate program for each and every tag or attributes which we are going to define. So let me open Notepad. So here we are now going to start writing HTML. Head, title. Title would be the attributes. Attributes of HTML. Now the title, close. Head would be close here. Now body will start. Body. Now here we are learning attributes. So BG color I am adding here. It is an attribute of body. So here we are now defining red color and the text color yellow. Now define H1 IT study point H1 teacher. body close, HTML. Save by pressing Ctrl S, or you can go to the file menu and save. Now go to the desktop and run. This is here. See, this is now coming like this. This is an attribute of. So if you change the attribute red to green, GREEN, save and refresh F5 using F5. Then see, IT study here like this. Now the second attributes here, see, H1 attribute. As here I am adding attribute of H1, that is called align, ALIGN, align. Align equal to center. It means the text IT study point would be display in the center of display area. See, IT study. So these are the attributes. These are the attributes. So if you want to learn more, then you should go and search different attributes of the tags, and you will be able to understand after this how it would be appear. See here, we have to pay attention that if you are going to write two attributes together, then you only maintain the spaces and this the double quote. If you are going to write double quote, it is good. If you are forget to write, then it is good for only when one word is appearing. If you are not writing one word, or it contains two or more words, then you must write double quote. Like here, BG color, I am writing a sky blue. Sky BLUE. Yes, see, a sky blue is itself a color. So I am now saving it, save and refresh. What happened? If I am using two words color name, see, it is a black because it is not defined. It is not defined, not. It is defined, but we are making a mistake because the browser does not understand this as a one color name. So if you put double quote here, then see the effect. It will now be recognizable by the browser, and it will be effect on the web browser. Now see, it is now okay. So you will have to pay attention of these double quotes whenever the attributes you are now going to write the value of attributes and there is a space in between, then you have to include double quote. But in the single you can avoid, but you have to pay attention that you have to write without a spacing. Now we are going to learn one tag that is called image tag. How to add image to web page. So actually, as we know that the image has universal language. There is no language to define. If putting one image, then the person who knows different and the person who stay in a different region and speaks different language can understand better. So image is a effective way to express anything. So here we are now going to add how to add in a web page. Image how to add in the web page. So for image there is a tag that is called img. This is an empty tag so that we don't know we don't close this tag. So this is empty tag. So there is no requirement for closing tag. So img tag has some attributes so that you can control or you can refer to the different images from different drives or locations. So the first attribute is src. It is called source. Second one is height and width. So these three are frequently used. src is used to locate the file. Locate the image file into height is to set height and width is set width of image. See how it will be implemented into here. See, we have already created a attribute.html. So we are now going to add here img attribute is src. So let's see src from where we are just searching which image to include here. So let me first search share documents. See, here you have to click or you right click here, go to the property and copy this. Here you will have to put the complete address and then the name of the image with extension. Now save. First close and save and save. Now come here, website, refresh here. you want to fix height and width, then you have to put HEIGHT equal to 50% and width is equal to 50%. Now see what is the effect. Save, refresh, see. So this way we can include the HTML image into web page, and this way we define the attributes. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. That's all for today class.